What's up, everyone? It's your boy. What's up, everybody? It's your boy, Coach Paul, from the Boys and Girls Club of Tampa Bay, Florida. Today, I'm putting rubber bands around this pumpkin because I want to see if I can cut it in half using physics. If you want to do this experiment with me, you should get a few things first. In addition to the gloves that I am not wearing, you should put on some glasses because we will be exploding pumpkins. And if you get pumpkin in your eye, that's probably not a good thing. Now, putting on these rubber bands can be a tedious process because you will need a whole lot of them, as you can see. Fortunately for you kids, today we are not only learning a little bit about physics, we'll also be learning the number one rule of leadership, delegation. Hey, me again, yeah, he meant teamwork. Yeah, teamwork is the number one rule. That's what he meant to say. All right, now I've got my help right here. We're gonna try and cut this pumpkin in half with rubber bands. Let's do it. There we go.
Oh. Down.
All right, beautiful. All right, so we want to try and get it lower down. Hello there, me, Professor Coach Paul. Before we explode more pumpkins, why don't we ask why these pumpkins explode the way they do? Let me give you an example. Take this tube of copyright-free toothpaste. You might ask yourself, why when I press on one end does toothpaste come out the other? Well, that's because this cap, when I open it, is the path of least resistance, and the toothpaste comes out. Now, it's the same thing with the pumpkin. As the rubber bands put pressure on the rind from the outside, eventually what's inside the pumpkin has to come out one way or the other, kind of like a tube of toothpaste.
I'll see if I can
At least,
I've
I think that's how it goes.
Well, unless
You're
you can do
him.
like a triple flip through the screen into the pool. I don't know if that's going to be what we're going to do. But I mean, I'm all about
If the
trying.
screen was open, I'd jump back and do it. Oh! That scared me.
All right.
It's on here.
Well, that was it, I guess.
If it was open, I could jump back and do it.